This is a heart-wrenching video of a man's dying wish.
This is Ahwat. He is a World War casualty and he has a dying wish.
I want to see a perfect circle.
Artists all around the world tries their best to fulfill his dying wish.
Finally, a great engineer invented a magical device able to draw the perfect circle. When Ahwat saw this superbly perfect circle, he was suddenly healed of all his injuries.
Ahwat screws up everything in life, even death.
This is a hypnosis circle drawing spaceship of doom, powered by candles. When the candles are lit, the air at the base of the can heats up and rises up through the displacer, which moves down. The base is insulated to reduce heat loss to surroundings. The conductive foam in the displacer absorbs heat from the air, so that air at the top is cold. These holes allow better cooling of this air. The rising air inflates this balloon. As the displacer goes back up and the cold air flows down, the balloon deflates. This process repeats. The balloon's inflation and deflation causes this axle and disc to spin. The adjustable pencil allows one to place paper in front of the CD to draw circles of varying sizes. The drawing and wobbliness causes a hypnotic effect to brainwash humans and take over the world. Mwahaha!